Welcome to Adulting 101. My name is Kelsey, and in this series, we cover the why, when, and how when it comes to cleaning your oft-neglected or complicated areas, surfaces, and appliances. Today, we're going to take care of the why. Save me from the future. I know you were about to talk about the washer, but I already know all of that from last week, so can we talk about the dryer instead? Okay, I guess I'll just talk about the washer later.
Yeah, past Amy can wait.
Okay, well, I guess we'll start with the why. Cleaning your dryer is extremely important, as a dirty dryer can not only lead to you spending tons and tons of time running multiple cycles waiting for your clothes to get clean, it can also lead to a house fire.
Oh, yeah, we definitely don't want that to happen.
No, we don't. So now on to the when. After every load, remove the lint from the filter. Monthly, wipe down the inside and the outside. Once a quarter, wash the lint filter and vacuum behind the dryer. Yearly, clean the exhaust vent. Depending on how long your vent is, you'll most likely want to buy a dryer vent cleaning kit. I'll have the one I recommend linked below, but of course if you feel uncomfortable using it, paying for a professional to come out once a year will be a lot cheaper than repairing or replacing your body if it catches on fire. So it's definitely worth it. The best time to start this schedule would be today and then keep up with it. But if you notice that your dryer shakes a lot or takes more than one cycle to dry clothes, then you should definitely consider doing it right now or whenever you notice these things happening.
So how do you clean a dryer?
I'm glad you asked. Let me show you. To do a full clean, you'll want to do the following. Take the lint trap out, remove any lint that's still on there, then wash it in hot soapy water. If there's something stubbornly clinging to the filter, you can use a toothbrush to gently scrub it, and then lay it out to dry. While that's drying, use a long, flexible lint brush and or vacuum to clean out the housing for the lint trap. Next, pull the dryer out from the wall and unplug it. Find a ventilation tube and hook it from the dryer. Using a vacuum, clean out any lint in the ventilation tube that you can reach. If it's a long tube or has bends, you can use a vent cleaning kit as shown here. Vacuum and mop the floor underneath the dryer and wipe down the walls with a dust mop and then a damp cloth if necessary. Wipe the inside and outside of the dryer with a microfiber cloth dipped in hot soapy water. Or, if you're doing both of my washer and dryer guides at the same time, just use the vinegar water from the washer and wipe the dryer with that, since you're already wiping the washing machine down. Insert the ventilation tube back into the dryer, plug it back in, and move it back into place. Make sure the dryer is level and 5 to 6 inches from the wall. Oh, so I can make it even with my washer? Sure can. They both should be at least 5 inches away from the wall. Okay, now for some handy tips. Number 1, don't overload your dryer. Only fill it up to 2/3 full. Number 2, when cleaning the vent from the outside, lay a tarp down first for easy cleanup. Number 3, unplug the dryer when wiping out the inside with a wet rag. Leave the door open to dry after. And number 4, use the correct settings. Look through your dryer's manual for a description on when to use each setting. And that's it. Now you know how to clean your dryer.
Awesome. Do you have a guide for this one?
Sure do. It'll be linked in the description below.
Great. Bye.
Bye. Anyway, like I said, the handy dandy guide will be linked in the description along with the dryer cleaning kit, so be sure to check that out. While you're down there, leave a comment to let me know what else you would like me to cover in this series. Then hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new Adulting 101 videos. And leave a like if you found this video helpful and would like for me to make more like it. Finally, click here for the washing machine guide and click here for the entire Adulting 101 How to Clean Fill in the Blank series. Class dismissed. Bye!